this video tutorial, I want to briefly discuss some of the design options for customizing your new PremiumPress theme. So let's get started. Firstly, in the admin area of your new PremiumPress website, we have the Design Setup tab on the left hand side. Here you'll notice options and links to some of the design features within your new PremiumPress website. So firstly, we have the website logo option for customizing the logo. Homepage content, here you'll be able to modify any of the homepage elements within your child theme or core theme. The color customizer, which links to the default customizer within your WordPress website. Menu options for setting up your menu. Website categories for customizing and modifying the website categories. Widgets and child themes. So by default, when you install a PremiumPress theme, you'll notice that it comes pre-configured with lots of options already set for you. This helps you visually see what your website is going to look like. So from here we have two options. We can customize the existing template, or we can go ahead and customize and select a different template. To select a different design, we simply click on the child themes and click continue. Here you'll be able to visually see all of the additional child theme options for your installed PremiumPress theme. So for example, in this case we have the auction theme, and so you'll be able to view all of the child themes available for your auction theme. If you've installed a directory theme or the comparison theme, etc., you'll be able to see different designs based on the core theme that you've installed. To get to this page from the normal WordPress options, we simply click on Appearance and Child Themes. Once you've found and selected the design that you want to use for your website, we can go back to the options within our WordPress Design Setup tab. From within here, we can customize the homepage content, which will change depending upon the child theme or core theme you're using. We can go ahead and customize the colors. So we simply click on Color Customizer. You'll notice options on the left hand side here using the normal WordPress customizer to help you modify the colors, etc. Remember to save all of your changes simply by clicking Publish at the top. And if at any point you want to go ahead and reset any of the options within your customizer, we can do that within the admin area of your PremiumPress theme. Under PremiumPress, Toolbox and System Cleanup Tools. Click on Reset All Colors. We can also customize the website using the menu options to set up your menu. To do this, we simply create a new menu and select menu options. And the key element here, if you're using multiple website languages, is this menu settings here where you allocate a menu depending upon the language. So if you're using 2 or 3 different languages, you would create 2 or 3 different menus and then assign them to the specific language they correspond to. So for example, in this case we have English, and if we were using Chinese or Spanish like we have in our other demonstrations, we would create a new menu and then assign that menu to the English language or Spanish language or Chinese language, the appropriate language. We can then click on Design Setup, Categories to view and modify the categories. You'll notice in this case with the auction theme, the default website has the categories displayed at the top. And these images can be customized just by clicking Edit and modifying the image here that's assigned to this category. Finally, we have widgets. And widgets are displayed differently depending upon the child theme that you're using. The default core theme only uses sidebars for the blog page.